For this example, we're going to factorize this polynomial, cubic polynomial, hence find the roots for this polynomial. So warning that we can't use calculator to find all the roots or all the factor as we did it in topic 5 in order to draw the graph. That one is for drawing the graph to finding the roots. So for this topic, we need to show out the working. So we can use the calculator to guess, to show that to find the only one factor, then the rest of the working must be showing step by step using long division. So first of all, by guessing, or we say by inspection. So how we get this inspection? We can use our calculator to get our first value. So by inspection, you can notice that from calculator, the answer is x equals to 1. We substitute x equals to 1 into our polynomial to show that that is a first factor we have. So substitute this value 1 into this polynomial. And we can get 0. From here, we can conclude that x minus 1 is a factor for our polynomial. So in order to factorize completely means we have to find the others of the factor. We have to use long division. So since we already have one factor here, we're going to do long division in order to find out what is the next factors. So here we have x cubed with x, so we need a multiplier of x squared in order to get x cubed. So x squared times x, we get x cubed. Expand also for this negative one, x squared times negative 1, we get negative x squared. Then we find its balance. So minus, this one 2 minus negative 1, we get positive 3x squared. So the rest of it we will pull down, taking down, negative x, negative 2. Then we repeat again to get 3x squared. So we need a multiplier of 3 and x. So that 3x times x, we can get 3x squared. Expand also for this negative one, negative 3x. Finding its balance, negative 1 minus negative 3. Negative, negative become positive. Then we repeat. So 2x, to get 2x, so I need a multiplier of 2. 2 times x, we get 2x. Then 2 times negative 1, we get negative 2. So notice that we won't have remainder here. Since the divisor is our factor, so of course our long division won't have any remainder. After that, we rewrite our polynomial. So one of our factor is x minus 1. And then our divisor here is a quadratic. Then from here, we can factorize it completely by look at this quadratic. So factorize this quadratic, we can get x. Of course, you can use your calculator to help you. So you just need to show out how do you get this factor. So from this quadratic, we factorize. So you can notice that our cubic polynomial now is factorized completely. Then for the next question is we're going to find roots. Means we're going to find out what is your x value. So look at our factor here, our x value. So our roots are x equals to 1, x equals to negative 1, and x equals to negative 2. This all is about our roots. So in additional, I can add on these questions. I can ask, what is your 0 questions? The additional questions here. So to answer this, what is our 0? So our zeros are 1, negative 1, negative 2. So that is the difference between roots and zeros. Roots, we write it x equals to something. Zeros, we just write out the value.